Hello and welcome back. In this fifth section, we will see filtering functionality with basic sorting and also the advanced sorting concepts we will see in this section. So in this whole section, we will start with the basic concepts and then we will move to the advanced concept like sorting. Then we will see the filters and everything. So those features and functionalities are going to be covered over here in this section. Let's start with the basic concepts first. We will create our first visual in this first video. Creating this whole will be divided into three parts. Those are like understanding our data, then connecting to the data, and in the last part we will go through the data pane. So that is how we will move this whole video, and let's create our first visual inside Tableau. So we are over here on the landing page of Tableau. Let's connect to our sample superstore dataset, and if you are previously connected to the sample superstore dataset, you can just see the link over here. But let's browse that Excel file. You can see over here the sample superstore dataset is available in the 2018.1 folder. So just open that file. Once you have selected that workbook, you will see that workbook link over here. We need to select this orders table over here. Let's go through this whole dataset once, because this is the dataset that we are going to use for this video series. So this dataset is actually the dataset for sample superstore, the bigger superstore, and each row over here indicates the transaction for each item that purchased by a person, and we can see that is with respect to the order date, ship date, and order ID. So each and every information about order and how we have shipped that product, customers information, and also the product segment information. Then we have a location information for customer, and then we have information about product. Those are category and subcategory until the product name. That is what the information that we have. And in the later part we have information about numbers. So how much is the sales value, then a quantity and a discount that we have offered, and how much is the profit that we have earned from that specific order. So everything is over here. Let's go back to our actual canvas. Let's quickly jump over here on the sheet 1, and you will see the whole data set is divided into dimensions and measures. So measures are continuous fields. Those contain the numbers, the numeric values, and dimensions are actually the discrete values. So if I want to show you the categories, you will see the discrete categories, different categories that we have inside data. And if you want to see the sales, that is, look at this. So sales is a numeric value. It will create bar chart or any chart, because that is a continuous data. You can see on over the total sales that we have for Superstore. So let's create our simple chart, that is subcategory performance. You can double click on this subcategory. You can double click on profit. It will automatically fill the next part, that is a numeric value. Those are required. Or you can just bring this. It will automatically take this, any of the dimension or measure that is you are double clicking. It will place that into a suitable context. But if you want to create, let's say, a bar chart on top of this, you can just drag this into column shelf. It will create a bar chart for you. So this is how you can create our first visual. You can start with creating visuals inside Tableau. We will see the next thing that we can do on top of this basic chart in the coming videos.